Hi, welcome to Kyong's Kitchen. Thank you for watching. Today I'm going to share delicious Oriental delight teriyaki. So it's going to be Oriental flair. So let's go and start. First you will need 1.5 cup water. So I have water in the boiling pot. You need to boil the water first. Then you will need 2 cups soy curds. Soy curds look like this. This one is made from 100% non-GMO soybeans, and this has no cholesterol whatsoever, and they're very low in fat and very high in fiber, high in antioxidant. It's such a good for your heart and prevents from cancers. So this one where some are really big, maybe you can cut it in half like this. And if you like to be a vegetarian or vegan, and sometimes you want to know what can I substitute in place of meat or chicken, even pork, and soy curd, it works wonder, and you will love this once you learn how to use it. So once water is starting to boil, I'm going to speed up. It's getting boiling. So I am going to put 2 cups in here. And then you need to continue to boil for at least 1 minute. Then turn the heat off. Then you will get nice and soft. Right now they are very hard and dry. So I'm gonna go and mix it with the boiling water. Yeah, they're doing real good. And by the way, this is brand new recipe. Hello inspired me, and this is really, really, really delicious. Okay. And the next step, you will need a blender. I'm gonna let it boil. Or you can use some small magic blend. You will need a 1 cup canned peach. Try to get just the peaches, but a little bit of juice is alright. So now it's boiling, so I am going to turn the heat off. Yeah, I'm gonna let it set. At home you can let it set for about 5 minutes. Then it will get nice and tender. Okay. And next you will need a half medium-sized onion cut in cube. Onion is very high in antioxidant, antiseptic, antivirus, such a good for you. And 2 cloves garlic. They are all going to kill you germs and bacteria, virus. And then you close. This one have to close just right. If not, you have to certain sound. Yeah, that sounds I'm looking for. Then close tight, blend it. Until nice and creamy. From here, this. We just made peachy sauce and savory sauce. I don't have time to wait 5 minutes, so I'm gonna, it's like a really tender. then we're gonna put this in here. Put it on here. And a little more left. And next you will need 2 green onions chopped. And the half stalk celery sliced really thin. And half carrot shredded. Actually, you don't have to add any vegetables here if you don't want to. Then, once you cook, it doesn't look good, so you need to bring some color. And now, this seasoning, 3 tablespoons unfermented soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon sesame seed, 1 tablespoon turbinado sugar, and 1 tablespoon nutritional yeast flakes. Then you are going to mix it thoroughly. While I'm mixing it, I'm going to ready pan ready. If you have time, I like to recommend you to marinate it and let it sit in your refrigerator for at least 1 hour. So all these seasonings is soaked into the soy curd and it will taste really good. So now we don't have 1 hour to wait. So cooking show 1 hour passed. When your pan is hot, now you are going to put it all here. You're going to cook this one for at least 5 to 10 minutes until the vegetables is kind of cooked tender. Oh, smell is so good. Okay. We are going to continue to cook until their seasoning all soaked into the soy curd and the vegetable kind of cooked nice and tender. Then you can serve top of the rice. This is kind of more like a Korean teriyaki style that I'll turn into vegan way. So praise God for the healthy and delicious recipe. So what I will do, I will come back with finished products. So don't go away. Welcome back. Here is finished product for you. Our kitchen smells so delicious, so easy to make, and they're full of nutrition value for you. High in fiber, high in protein, and it will kill the germs and bacteria, and high in antioxidant. So enjoy the God's creations. Taste and see that the Lord is good. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to have the written recipe, click the show more below the video. May God bless you. See you until next program.